Hey, kamusta guys? Welcome back sa ating channel. So, in this video nga pala, I will show you my editing techniques, how you can replace skies on your photos using your Photoshop. Make sure na tapusin mo ang video na to hanggang sa dulo para malaman mo itong technique na to na palagi kong ginagamit sa pag-i-edit at huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe din sa channel na to para ma-notify ka if may mga videos akong bagong i-upload. So, let's get started guys right after this intro. Okay guys, let's get started. As you can see, we already have image right here. Ito yung gagamitin natin. So, example, i-replace yung skies. So, first thing first guys, let's remove the unwanted object. So, this one. So, burahin natin tong lubid na to. So, okay lang ba yung voice ko guys? Medyo mahina kasi quality ng ano natin. Mahina quality ng microphone natin guys. So, pagtiisan lang muna. So, ang gagamitin nating tool para burahin itong lubid na to is the lasso tool. This one guys. As you can see guys, lasso tool. So, burahin natin. To do that, just hold left click on your mouse and drag. Gusto ko itong gamitin lasso tool sa mga pagbura ng mga object kasi malinis yung outcome niya tulad nito. So, after magawa na natin ng selection, so, right click on your mouse guys. So, hit the fill. Stay sa content aware, normal, 100% opacity. Ayan lang. So, hit OK. So, naglo-loading siya. Medyo delayed konti. So, kung meron kayong fast laptop, no? So, high specs. So, madali lang to. Pero sa akin, so in my case, we have 16 GB RAM lang. So, medyo ano siya. Ito guys, as you can see na, nabura na siya. So, malinis yung pagkabura ng lubid. So, yun ang kagandahan ng lasso tool guys. So, meron namang ibang tool na pwede pambura. So, pero kadalasan ginagamit ko ay lasso tool. So, remove na natin yung selections. Click control key plus D. So, remove na natin. So, wala nang ibang i-remove. So, ito, hayaan na natin to. Okay. First guys, make a copy of this layer, the background. So, to do that, just hold control key plus J. Okay, meron na tayong copy ng layer ng background. So, pwede natin i-rename to. Lagyan natin yung pangalan. Copy. Okay. So, it's up to you na kung lalagyan nyo ba. Okay. I think guys, wala na tayong ibang buburahin. So, proceed na tayo sa sky replacement. So, punta kayo dito sa edit. Ay, mali. Punta kayo dito sa file plus ito piliin nyo. Please embedded. So hanapin nyo yung pictures ng sky na ilalagay nyo. So sa akin, meron na ako nakakompile dito. Saan ba yun? So dito overlay. So dito skies. So meron na akong nakakompile na skies. So in my case, pipiliin ko to. So drag. So dapat mag-fit siya sa ano. Hanap kayo ng angle kung saan maganda. Okay, I think this one is good. Hit the check icon above. So matapos na nating ilagay. So medyo hindi pa siya maganda tingnan. So ito ang trick na gagamitin natin. So to make na parang realistic siya. So go to the blend modes. So dito guys. So madami rito. So pwede nating isa-isahin kung saan maganda. Okay. So I think overlay is good. Okay, ito natin pipiliin natin. So maganda na siya. So medyo okay na siya tingnan guys. Meron na siyang sky overlay, di ba? So i-drag natin konti pababa. Baba natin. So lakihan muna natin. Okay. So nakikita nyo may edge. So buburahin natin yan. So before that, let's make another copy of this sky. So para sa ating reflections. Okay, to do that, again, Control K plus J. So let's name it reflection. Okay, so drag natin sa baba. Okay, if baliktarin natin yung reflection guys, so, go to the edit and click transform and flip vertical. So ayun. So itatansya lang natin sa taas. I think this one is good. Okay. So actually, hindi pa siya magandang tingnan. So ang gagawin natin is i-reduce natin yung flow, opacity dito sa reflection. So punta kayo dito sa opacity guys. Dito. Click nyo to, R down, bring down into, okay, I think this one 49 is good. Okay, so para hindi siya magmukhang fake, dapat i-bring down yung opacity. Next is in this area, no, makikita natin dark area siya, so buburahin natin. So to do that, let's make first the mask. Ito guys, click nyo to, add layer mask. Also the reflection, gawa natin ng layer mask again. So make sure nga i-click nyo to dito, hindi dito. So click natin dito. para ma-brush siya, and use a brush tool. So, lakyan natin. So, i-adjust muna natin yung flow. So, babaan natin yung flow. I think 52 is good. So, surahin natin. By the way, hindi siya maganda tingnan. So, babaan pa natin. I think 9 is good. Okay? Click again the mask layer. Okay. And again, in the reflection, burahin natin. Sobra. So, ayun guys. So, nakita nyo na medyo maganda na. So, i-color grade na natin. So, i-final natin. Color grade na natin. So, i-merge muna natin yung layer. So, merge. Okay, let's proceed into color grading. Before you color grade guys, so make sure this layer is converted already a smart object. So this icon is shown. This is a smart object. So nagko-color grade ako dito sa camera raw. So, pwede naman dito sa curves. So, pero gusto ko color grade dito sa camera raw. So, camera raw filter, click. Okay. Dito na tayo sa camera raw. So, go to the B6. So, adjust natin yung konti yung B6 niya. Exposure. So, add little exposure. And as well, contrast. Again, let's bring down highlights. Shadow. Okay. Whites. Black. Okay. For the basics, I think that's it. Go to the color mixer. So I think sa color mixers, yung i-add lang natin is ititweak lang natin yung green. So I'll reduce my luminance in green, so para mag pop, and the blue as well. So let's tweak, reduce luminance, the aqua. Okay. Then go to the curves. So hindi ko masyadong ginagalaw yung curves. So ganito lang. Yes, curves lang. Okay. You can see, medyo maganda na siya guys. So pag gusto niyo pa i-tweak yung kulay, go to your calibration. So choose what do you want na primary colors. So I think red. Go to the temperature vibrance. That's it. Okay. Medyo maganda na siya. So, titingnan natin yung before. So, this is the before. Okay. Yung pinalitan na yung skies. Then, add the reflection and the color grade. So, finally, this is the finished output. So, as you can see guys, no, you will not notice na fake yung skies niya kasi meron siyang reflection. So, you can see, well, that's good. So, nakita nyo na guys kung paano ko replace yung skies niya. So, that's the way I edit sky. Okay, so kung meron kang natutunan sa video na to, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will notify if I have videos uploaded. Okay guys, thank you for watching.